What's up, good people? This is Larry Jones. Hey, listen, if you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. As you can see, I don't have everything piped up today. You're going to be hearing audio and video looking a little different. I'm preparing something really exciting for you guys, so just bear with me through it. Let's go right into crypto, all right? Cardano is $2.94 right now at the time of filming this. Cardano hit an all-time high of $3. I thought it was going to on my Instagram page. I said I thought it would hit $3 this week. I didn't know it was going to hit this quick. So it hit $3. That's an all-time new high. For those of you that's been following the page, my personal price prediction by the end of this year, not by the end of the bull cycle, but by the end of this year, is $5, okay? And I know there's guys that say $7, $10, $100 to the moon. Yes, but I always leave room for error and for something to happen. And so $5 is still a good price from $2.94. Let's just say $3. And so a lot of people are asking, should I get in? Should I not get in? And I'm just going to continue to tell you what I'm doing with it. And you have to make your own decision. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Our cost is around $1. We've gotten in about $1. My personal cost is about $1. I bought it about 5 times when it hit $1. And even when it ran up to $2 and fell back down to $1, I bought again. So it's different for everybody out there, right? And so in my Coinbase account, I am going to hold that. I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to just hold it long term, 5, 10 years. I'm holding, not selling, okay? But here's what I'm doing. In my Webull app, I'm swing trading everything that I'm buying at 250 and up. So I'm going to swing trade that. But in my Coinbase and my real wallet, I'm going to keep that. So I am going to dollar cost average in. I'm in it for the long haul. All right, good people. So that's what I'm doing. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, it hit 38. My price prediction for Ethereum, I believe anywhere from 45. A lot of people said 48. I think I said 48. I believe from 45 to 48 is where I think Ethereum is going to hit by the end of this year. Okay, I think 45 by the end of this year for Ethereum. All right, then we got Polygon. I'm in Polygon. Solana is up 19%. It is running. I bought some more the other day of Solana at $100. I shared with you guys. It's $134. Solana is just ripping. I have some Tezos and some Polkadot and a little AMP, okay? And sorry about that, and a little AMP. So here's what I've noticed about my portfolio is that because I'm staying diversified, that when Bitcoin itself goes up and down, my portfolio does not fluctuate as much because I'm diversified. Of course, I'm the absolute most bullish, in Cardano. And that's because I see it being the fastest moving car at this period of time. And I treat crypto like I'm in a race. I'm in the fastest moving car. And then my second is Ethereum, because Ethereum is like stable. It's the big boy. And then I do have some Bitcoin. And I believe that everyone should have some Bitcoin in their portfolio, okay? That's just me. It doesn't matter what percentage, you should have some Bitcoin, just like I think everybody should have Apple, some of the FANG stock. Or if you're in EVs, I believe you should have Tesla because it's the big boy, okay? And so those are some of the things I wanted to talk about concerning crypto. I gave you my price predictions on Cardano and Ethereum. The other ones I don't have a price prediction on. It's just, it's all over the place. I'm looking at Solana closer, and we'll just be monitoring it down the road, okay? So lastly, I want to talk about the chip problem. So all of the car companies are having problems with chips, okay? Because there's a shortage of it. And so every car dealer or car manufacturer is going to feel the pain of that. They have people that want to buy cars and they can't even sell them. I was at a car dealership today and I was talking, you guys know I've been looking for a Jeep, and I was on the phone with another Jeep dealer, and the pinch that they're in is actually really, really crazy. If you really want a new car for next year, you probably need to be ordering it now because it's a shortage. And so we're going to see what that brings about. But these car companies are not going to be able to hit their numbers, okay? And it's going to be clean across the board. I do believe, of course, next year we'll have the chip problem under control, but it's one of those things that we have right now. Somebody in the plant gets sick, they got to shut the plant down. They're having problems getting anything shipped. If you live in America, you want a refrigerator, you want windows, you want a roof, you want anything delivered to your house, there is infrastructure problems and delivery problems and shortage problems. It's just, and then that's what is spiking up inflation, okay? And so lastly, a lot of people still didn't understand what happened with Lucid Motors, why it dipped the other day. I just want to show this clip. I'm sorry, I'm tongue twisted. I want to show this quick clip by CNBC, and then we'll be back to sign off.
I did want to come to Lucid, which we kind of teased earlier and mentioned it briefly as well. The stock coming off the lows it saw even a few minutes ago, or you saw in the pre-market, but it is still down over 12%, of course. It came into the day with a 32 billion or so market value. The decline today is due to potential selling from the PIPE investors. They represented about 10% of the overall outstanding shares, 166.7 million. 15 is where they actually purchased those shares. So not 10, 15. But obviously there is a gain there, and there is an expectation and potentially some selling going on by those PIPE investors. And that seems to be, or is the reason why you're seeing Lucid shares pressured this morning. Plenty may decide to hold on, of course, as well. But again, roughly 10% of the overall outstanding shares, the lockup expired today.
Yeah.
September 1st.
It's an important lesson, I think, especially for investors that are new to investing in SPACs. Obviously, Lucid had kind of a unique dynamic to its SPAC, pricing its PIPE at $15 as opposed to the typical $10 or wherever the IPO price is. They were able to sell a PIPE at a premium because it was considered such a hot deal to get into.
And because the stock was trading at such a high level as well.
It was still a discount to that level.
Yes.
Now you do see these lockup dynamics that take place that are often kind of closer to the actual merger date than a typical IPO, which would be 6 months, a year, depending on how they structure it. This one, September 1st, of course, being the lockup expiration, you do tend to see kind of that pull back to gravity as people try to arbitrage the situation and make sure that they are able to crystallize their gains, as the stock has, of course, gotten closer to that $15 level in recent weeks.
So that explained what I was trying to explain the other day, why Lucid made the dip. I bought it at $15.39, and I'm holding that long term because I do believe, regardless of what happened with the chip shortage or anything, that it's going to be worth more next year than it is this year, even with the volatility, even if it goes down. These are the type of car companies that you're going to wish you had gotten into now, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years from now, okay? And by the year 2025, all of these car manufacturers will literally be on fire. That's what I believe, okay? Hey, if you want the Webull link and you want to swing trade crypto or just buy regular stocks, download my link below. It helps the page. And just deposit $100. You're going to get 2 free stock worth up to $2,300. Then I also have Coinbase that I'm buying off my Cardano, Solano. I'm buying that all through Coinbase. But as it pertains to Bitcoin, you want to use BLockFi and earn interest on it. And for those of you that are looking to get a credit card, they have a credit card. You can earn 1.5% on your purchases. The cool thing about it is they pay you in Bitcoin. So you're gaining wealth while you're paying your normal bills. Don't create new bills, good people, okay? Gonna leave it right there. Always in signing off. Live, love, laugh, and learn. We'll probably see you tomorrow, but next week will be a short week for me, all right? See you.